The number one comment I get by far is, it's not the same person, the nose is completely different. Yes, my nose is pudgy, so let's show you how I change that. I let my contour bake, so this is not blended out, ignore that part. So I start with a relatively flat packing brush, this one's from my collection, and then I'm going to go in with the KVD Shade and Light contour palette, and I'm going to mix this first shade and the middle shade. Tapping it off, and we're just going to start on one side. You're going to want to bring it up into your eyebrows, just to keep the flow going. Really blending it into your skin. The tip. Then we're gonna get a smaller brush, going in with this tiny brush from my collection, same colors, and we're gonna create a little circle here, right at the tip. Whoops. This is gonna create the illusion of a button tip nose. Next, we're gonna add some light powder to finish that part of the job. Taking a velour puff and the lightest shade in the same palette, and we're just gonna go right in the middle of that little circle that we created. And then we're also gonna go down the bridge of the nose, like so. And then I'm gonna let that sit for about 10 minutes. Next, I'm gonna take a fluffy blending brush, and we're just gonna go all around and blend that out. I would suggest checking this in natural lighting before leaving the house. Next, I'm going to take a white eyeliner and draw a little line down the center and a little one on the tip. This is the NYX Jumbo Stick in Milk. And then we're just going to blend it out lightly with our fingers. And next, we're just going to go with that same little brush and add a little bit of highlight. Right down the center and right on the tip. And that's it.